All right, in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to log into the library database called Kanopy. Let's start by going to the library homepage, library.romestate.edu. And then Kanopy is included on the list of research databases. If you go to that full list, it's Kanopy with a K. But then to make things easier, Kanopy is also listed right here on the homepage. There's a link to it right here near the bottom of the homepage, so you can just click on that. The first time you access Kanopy, you're going to need to log in with your Rome State credentials. It's a database that the library has to pay for. So since we have to pay for it, we have to make sure that only Rome State employees and students are using it. So click on the Kanopy link and then click on this orange link that says log in to Rome State. All right, so after you click that, for some reason, Kanopy makes you click that orange login to Rome State link a second time. I'm honestly not sure why, but you just have to click that again, and then it will ask you for your Rome State credentials, specifically your full email address, including the @RomeState part, @romestate.edu, and then your password, just like what you use to get into your Rome State email and RaterNet and all that stuff. After you've signed in with your Rome State credentials, Kanopy asks you to create your own personal Kanopy account within the database. This is different from the other library databases where all you have to do is enter your Rome State email address and password, and then you're in the database. That's how it usually works. But with Kanopy, you have to create a personal Kanopy account. So you have to enter your first and last name, and then you can use whatever email address you want. I recommend that you do just go ahead and use your Rome State email address. You could use a different one if you want, but I recommend using your Rome State email and then just coming up with a password that's specific to your Kanopy account and that will be easy for you to remember. All this account does is allow you to watch movies within Kanopy, so I wouldn't worry too much about creating a really complicated password that's hard to remember. I would just make up, a fairly easy to remember password. And then you would click sign up to create your account. And then Kanopy will send an email to whatever email address you've used. And that email will just say you need to verify your Kanopy account, and I think there's a link in that email that you click. Once you've done that, your account is set up. You're good to go, and you should be allowed into the database. So then in future, let's say you set up your account, you watch one video, and then a few days later, you need to watch another video. It's easier to sign in after you've gone through those initial steps, because then all you have to do is click Kanopy. And then instead of using the orange login to Rome State link, just use this link in the upper right that says login. And then use those Kanopy account credentials that you created initially. So again, I recommend using your Rome State email address for your Kanopy account, and then just some easy to remember password. Then you'll click login, and again, you'll have access to all the movies within Kanopy. If you come to the library's page and click on Kanopy and you've already created an account, maybe you did last semester. Oh, let me log out. Maybe you created an account last semester and you've forgotten about it. If you come back to Kanopy and click Login to Rome State and enter your your own state email address and password, it'll take you to this create your account screen. And if you try to make another one with the same email address you've already used in a previous semester, then it should just tell you, hey, we've already got an account for that, and you could just go to where is it? You could just go to login, and then do reset my password. Forgot password. And if that doesn't work, if you have problems still, just give the library a call, or use our online chat by clicking this Ask a Librarian link on the right-hand side of the library website, and we'll be happy to help you get logged into Kanopy.